Is my voice clear? Okay. Good morning, class. Today we will be beginning with, or rather moving ahead with our topic algebraic expressions. In algebraic expressions, today we will be dealing with addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So, first of all, see how what is the concept behind. See, we only add like terms. Okay, in case of addition, we can only add like terms, and rest of the numbers are written as it is. So first, let's us see how to add. What is the concept behind adding the like terms? Can you hear me? Can the class hear me? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay. I'm continuing with my. So, let's see an example. Here I have taken 3AB plus 5AB. See, these two are like terms or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
what we do, what is the, I'm just showing you the concept behind what is this. See, what we do, we take the coefficient, numerical coefficients of the like terms and add them, and write at the end we write the algebraic expression, right? Algebraic literals. So what happens? The answer becomes 3. This is the, this you don't have to show, just I am writing so to explain you what is the concept behind these two, how we are adding. So what we are doing, we are taking just the coefficient. See, in 3AB I have taken 3, and in 5AB I have taken 5. When I have added 3 plus 5, it gave me 8. So what was the answer of 3AB plus 5AB? It was 8AB. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No.
Understood the concept?
Ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Have you understood the
Yes,
concept
ma'am.
of addition? Just
Yes,
the
ma'am.
this step you don't have this step. This I'm showing you the bracket one step. You don't have to show in any type of calculation. Just I have done to show you what's the concept behind adding the numbers. Understood? Okay. Now
Yes.
let's see the questions which we will get of your type. See, addition can be done by two methods. One is horizontal and the other is column. So, and it's up to you whichever method you opt. So, it will not be given in the question that you have to do by column method or horizontal method. It's depending totally on you which method you opt and in which method you are comfortable with. In case of numbers question, I think the column method will help you, but I will be telling you it will be preferable and easier to do questions with horizontal method in case of word problems. Right? Understood the hint behind? Hint or not? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
See, अगर मान लो if there is given just add 3 plus 4 plus 5, so you can use the column method. It will be easy because you will see the numbers. But when it came to see this much I added to this and I got this, what will be the answer? Which will be comfortable? In that case, it will be, if you will use the column method, horizontal method, you will be easily framing equations. But if you will make the use of column method, calculation will be easier, but framing of equation will be difficult. Understood? So let's see. First, let us understand both the type of methods. Okay? Rest, it's up to you. You can use any method. Okay, let's see the horizontal method first. I have taken a question here. A square b square plus 4a square b minus 6ab square plus 9 and minus 4a square b square plus 2ab square. Are in the first term all the terms like term? Are in the first set all the terms like terms?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
And in the second set?
No, ma'am.
So we have to add first set with the second set. So what we do, we write the numbers in the form of brackets. Understood? First step of horizontal addition means taking the first step, putting and just what else? The same manner what we do in integers. We take the numbers and we write the set in one bracket or not. In integers also. What we do? We take the first set and write in the form of bracket, then take the second set and write in the form, put a plus sign, and then you have to just repeat the same method as you do in integers. Just the difference is there that in case of integer, in the integers the numbers were there. Here algebraic literals are there. Understood the difference? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what will
Yes,
be our
ma'am.
what can you tell me what will be our second step? Try for. Just now I told you which two terms can be added. Which type of terms can be added? First tell me. Which two types of terms can be added? Just now we did. What type of terms we added?
Like terms.
And so what we have to do? We have to make pair of like terms. See, here a square b square minus 4a square b square can be made one pair? Can we make one pair or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, see 4a square b cannot be made a pair of anyone, so we will write it as it is. Again, if you see minus 6ab square and plus 2ab square can be made a pair,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
and 9 is again left
Yes,
alone.
ma'am.
9 is left alone, right? 9 is again left alone. 9 is again left alone or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
have I written it correctly? Have I written it correctly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
please tell me the answers now. If there is no number before a algebraic expression, what does mean? What is there? If there is no number in front of an algebraic expression, what is there then?
One.
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 1. What will be the answer of this bracket? What will be the answer of this bracket?
Ma'am, 8.
8. How come 8? Here is 4. Here is 1. Here is minus 4. How come 8? 1 minus 4 is how much?
Ma'am, 3.
3.
Ma'am,
Minus
3. Ma'am, minus 3.
Minus 3. This is already square b is already solved. Let's solve this bracket. Minus 6ab square plus 2ab square. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, minus 4ab square.
Minus 4ab square. So on opening the bracket, plus minus will change to minus. So am I right in writing this thing? Check the answer if I am wrong or not. Have I done it correctly or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am. Correct.
Correct? Answer is correct. Understood the
Yes,
concept behind horizontal method? Understood the concept behind horizontal method?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It will be better if you copy it down. Copied?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Copied. Okay. Can I move ahead? Now, let's see the column method. Column means you have to write in the form of columns. So, the same number I have taken. So, what's the difference? Let's see. You have written all the numbers in one row. Understood? The first set. Am I clear? Take the second step
Yes, ma'am.
and write the numbers below the like terms. Means, for example, here a square b square is given. You will write minus 4a square b square below a square b square. Then 2ab square is given. You will write the number 2ab square below its like term. For example, here minus 6ab square is given. So you will write plus 2ab square below that number. Understood how to frame the column? Any confusion in framing the column?
No, ma'am.
Understood? Now what we do? We will simply add the like terms. Now all are like terms. We can see the columns are in the form of like terms or not? Are the columns in the form of like
Yes,
terms?
ma'am.
Now simply add
Yes,
them.
ma'am.
Now simply add them. 9 plus 0 is 9. Minus 6ab plus 2ab square is minus 4ab square. Plus 4a square b plus 0 is, when nothing is given, that means 0. When nothing is given, that means 0 or not. Right? So 4a square b plus 0 is 4a square b. A square b square minus 4a square b square is minus 3a square b square. Any confusion in column method?
No, ma'am.
Copy it down.
No, ma'am.
Copy it down, then we will move to the concept of subtraction. Then only I can move to the concept of subtraction. Because a slight difference is there, not a much difference. The same method, the same pattern, but a slight difference of sign rule will be changed. So copy it down fast.
I'm copied.
Okay. Now, can anyone
Yes, ma'am. Copy.
Now, can anyone tell me what is the difference between, can anyone think of telling me what will be the difference in addition and subtraction? What will be the changes? Okay, first let's understand the concept behind subtraction. How we subtract. See, here I have taken two terms. Here I have taken two terms, 8xy and minus 2xy. Both are like terms. Again, see what we are doing. We are taking the coefficients again, just subtracting 8 minus 2. We are taking the coefficients and subtracting it and writing it down. So it becomes 8xy minus 2xy, whose coefficient was 8 and 2 respectively. I subtracted 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2xy. So we got 6xy. Understood the concept behind subtraction? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
So let's see. Try it for a horizontal method. Again, subtraction will be also can be solved in two methods, horizontal and column. It's up to you, whichever method you apply. It's totally up to you. Horizontal. Let's take a question. Here I have taken 5m square plus 3n square plus 29 from minus 4n square minus 28 plus 10m square. Can anyone tell me what will be my first expression? Same method. Remember horizontal and column, horizontal method of addition. The method will be same. So can anyone tell me which will be my first term in my brackets? Which set should be written first? It's a case of a subtraction.
Minus 4 and square.
Right.
Minus 4 and square.
4n square plus 28 plus 10m square will be written first. Then we'll put a minus sign in place of from, and then in bracket we will write minus 5m square plus 3n square plus 29. So this was the first difference. Now what we will do? See, in addition, you know that if a addition sign is outside a bracket, There is no change in sign. So we have just copied the numbers. But in case of subtraction, when a subtraction sign is before a bracket, all the signs inside the number changes. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? When a
Yes,
subtraction
ma'am.
sign is outside a bracket, all the sign changes. This is a rule or not? Bracket rule for subtraction. So what we will do, we will first open all the bracket and change the signs. So what happened? Since there was a plus sign, when there is no sign, then that means there is a plus sign. So all the numbers written as it is, minus 4n square minus 28 plus 10m square. But there was a minus sign before the bracket. So when this minus 5 opened, it became plus. When this plus sign opened, it became minus. And when this plus sign opened, it became minus. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Should I move ahead? Now, you can see all the terms are similar to the what we did just now in case of addition. So please, can you add the numbers for me? Can anyone add the numbers for me? Just now we did it. Okay, pair it up in the like terms only for me. Who will pair it up in the form of like terms for me what we did just now? Come on, try. Don't sit. What will the term?
Oh. Ma'am, my plus 5m.
Okay, start with the alphabets in the alphabetical order. It will be convenient for you. So take it 10m square plus 5m square, first set. If you have done, have I written it correctly what you have written? Whatever you have written, have I written it in the same manner?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
So
yes,
now
ma'am.
can you tell me the answers? Just the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 5m plus.
Come on, just the answer you have to tell me. Everything I have done, you have to just add the like terms. Just add
Ma'am,
the like.
15.
Huh?
15
First
m
one.
square. Ma'am, 15 m square.
Okay. Second one.
Ma'am, minus 7n square.
Okay. Third one. Come on, 28 plus 29. It's just 28 plus 29. Signs are same. That means addition will be there. Huh?
Ma'am,
Minus?
Ma'am, minus 57.
Minus 57.
Ma'am, minus 57.
Have I written it what you have told?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion in the concept? Any confusion in the concept?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Copy it down so that you can refer this question for the other questions.
Ma'am, somebody has muted you.
Okay, copied? Okay, copied or not?
Copied, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we will do the same question in the column method. So, we will first write the first line. Obviously, 4n square minus 28 plus 10n square will be the first line. Second line will be minus 5m square. Sorry. See, second line will be because we have to rearrange the like terms. So, what happened? Under 4n square, what we wrote? Plus 3n square. Then, under minus 28, what we wrote? Plus 29. Under 10m square, what we wrote? Minus 5m square. And put a minus sign ahead of it. This much is clear or not? The same thing what you did in addition, but the difference was this. In case of addition, you put an addition sign. In case of subtraction, you put a minus sign. Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Now, what we will do, we will change the sign of plus 3n square, minus 20, plus 29 and minus 5m square in this way. See, in just below plus 3n square, we will write a minus sign. Just below plus 29, we will write a minus sign. Just below minus m square, we will write a plus sign. That means our new terms become minus 4n square minus 3n square. Now we will not read this minus sign. We will read this in this way. Minus 4n square minus 3n square. Then minus 28 minus 29 plus 10m square plus 5m square. Any confusion? In place of using these signs, I will be using these signs. Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
So what will be
No,
the
ma'am.
answer?
No,
So
ma'am.
what will be the answer of first row? First column?
Ma'am, minus 7n whole square.
N square. Second column?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, minus 57.
Third column?
Ma'am, plus 15
Minus
n
7.
square.
Minus
Ma'am,
7.
plus
Okay.
plus
15 m.
15 m square.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
you have,
ma'am.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to
Yes,
rearrange
ma'am.
the terms. But you have to rearrange the terms because they are not in the proper manner. So what we do? We write the first in the alphabetical order. You will arrange. The first term will be, what will be our first term?
Ma'am, 15 m square.
Then
Ma'am,
After-
minus 7 n square.
minus 57 because the constants are always written at the last. Constants are always written at the last. So have you understood the column method? Are you clear with the
Yes.
column method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion in any of the method which we did just now? Any confusion in any
No.
of the method which we did just now?
No, ma'am.
So then note down the homework. It's exercise 7.2. It's exercise 7.2. All the questions are in your course. All the questions are in your course. I hope you have noted down the methods also so that you can do it in your, you can refer to the method I have used and take your own question and solve it. Understood? Don't panic. I am giving you a little bit small hint. Just listen to it. You have done integers. You have done all the type of word problems in integers. Just the difference is here that in integers you use just the numbers. In algebraic expressions, in place of numbers, we are using what? Algebraic terms. Understood? Any confusion? Speak it loudly.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
The
ma'am.
note is not
No,
silly.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's confusing, ma'am. If it's no, ma'am, say loudly no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good. That's one. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.